Hello, first grade friends, and happy Friday. I hope you had a wonderful day of learning yesterday, and I hope that you had a chance to get outside. I know it wasn't very sunny outside, but I hope you had a chance to play. So, I am here to share our morning message of the day, and I'm going to share your to-dos for today, and I have Miss Lily's poster and some more pictures to share with you all. So before we start this morning, let's do just a normal handshake greeting. Are you ready? Right hand out. Shake, shake, shake. Good morning. Oh, I miss you so much, and I can't wait to see you all really soon here on WebEx. I can't wait. I have a fun special game that we're going to play today. So, as always, you can read along the message with me. Good morning, firsties. Today is Friday, May 22nd, 2020. Did you watch the message from the Vikings head coach, Mike Zimmer, on Seesaw? That was so cool. Skol Vikes. If you watched it, he had a little message for all of you to finish the end of the year strong, and that he is so proud of everybody working hard online, which was really cool to see. If you haven't watched it yet, it still is on Seesaw. I loved seeing all of your hard work yesterday with the story problems in math. There was some extra information that you didn't even need to solve it, and you did an awesome job. Way to go. Give yourself a little pat on the back and a kiss on the brain. Nice work. Today we will have a class meeting at 10 o'clock on WebEx. You also will write in your memory book for the letters M and N. Try your best today. Be kind and enjoy your long weekend. Love, Miss Field. So we do not have school on Monday because it is Memorial Day weekend. So you get an extra long weekend of playing and family time, and I hope that it's a good one. All right. Here are your to-dos for today. So just like yesterday, you have something for literacy that has to do with the For the Birds video, which with drawing conclusions. So I know you watched it yesterday, but there's something new that's added on for today. You also are going to do your OI words in sentences. For math, you have something on Seesaw called What Belongs in the Ocean. You're going to write in your memory book for letters M and N, and there's a new riddle of the day. I know yesterday the riddle was a dolphin, and it asked you if you would like to ride on a dolphin and what you would think of it. Now, Miss Field thinks that would be so much fun. I have never done it before, and it's definitely something that I would love to do because I feel like it would be a lot of fun, and they would go fast and you could hold on to the tail. It would be so much fun. All right. Who is the star student of the week? Miss Lily is the star student of the week. So I have two more pictures to share with you guys, and I have her poster. So this is a cute little picture that I thought I would share with you all that her mom had sent me of Lily as a toddler. She's so cute. She kind of reminds me of Elsa with the blue dress and the braid. I don't know why, it just reminded me of it. And here's a cute picture of Lily and her mom. It looks like they might even be at the Mall of America on the rides. That's what it looks like to me. All right, I'm going to share her poster. So her name is Lily. She is 7 years old and she is in first grade. Her favorite food is carbonara, which is a type of pasta. It kind of looks like spaghetti. It's delicious. Her favorite color is teal. Her favorite hobbies include science and being in the garden and biking and fishing. Her favorite place is her cousin's house. And her favorite subject is STEM, PE, and art. Something that she is really good at doing is sports and engineering. So being creative and building things. I love it, Lily. In her family, it is her mom and her dad, her her sister Emily, and then her brothers William and Landon, and it looks like they have 1 dog and 3 cats, and when she grows up, she wants to be a scientist. I love it, Lily. Down below, I want you to either record your voice or you can type, but I would like you to share 2 nice compliments on what makes Lily an awesome first grade friend in our class. So, my first compliment to you, Miss Lily, is that you have the biggest heart. You are so caring and kind and respectful to everybody, and I love that about you. My second compliment for you, Lily, is that you are very, very, very creative. You can come up with the most amazing projects and artwork, and your creations are just out of this world. So I love that about you too. Remember, down below, share 2 nice compliments about what makes Lily an awesome friend. I hope you all have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you on Tuesday. Goodbye, friends.